In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can use Ria Money Transfer to transfer money to a bank account. The link to download the app will be in the description of this video. Now once you download the app and register, you're going to select Send. Specify the amount of money that you want to transfer, let's say $100. From the drop down, you can choose the recipient's country. It shows how much the recipient will receive. Here, you have the option to select your payment method, right? So if you select the drop down, you have the option to choose between a debit or a credit card. And then deliver to, that's where you're going to ensure you select bank, right? And then you select continue. Now in your case, you'll be adding a new recipient. So let's select add new recipient. And here you'll see the information that it asks you for. So it's going to ask for first name, middle name, which is optional, surname, and the country which you're sending to. So let's select the city and then select continue. Now here you're going to search for the bank that you're transferring money to. So let's say NCB. So I'm going to select National Commercial Bank. Here you're going to provide the bank account number, the branch number, and the city in which the branch is. Now you can use bank code finder to find the branch code. Very easy to use, right? And then you'll select continue. So I'm just going to step back and select an existing recipient. So here I'm just going to select continue. Now this is a summary of the transaction, right? Scroll down and you can check the description for a promo code and add it for a discount. Then you select confirm to proceed with your transfer. However, I do not want to make any transfer at this point in time. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.